Perpetual Ocean 2, Western Boundary Currents. The story of Earth's oceans is a story of motion, energy, and connection. From space, our planet appears calm and blue, but beneath that surface lies a vast and powerful system of moving water that shapes climate, weather, and life itself. This visualization, Perpetual Ocean 2, Western Boundary Currents, reveals that hidden motion using scientific data transformed into flowing color and light. The journey begins with a slowly rotating globe. As the Earth turns, thin, luminous streams wrap around the continents, tracing the paths of the world's major ocean currents. These currents are not random. They are driven by winds, Earth's rotation, and differences in temperature and salinity, forming a global conveyor that redistributes heat and energy across the planet. The camera moves closer, zooming in on one of the most powerful currents on Earth, the Kuroshio current. Flowing northward along the coast of Japan, the Kuroshio acts like an oceanic river, carrying vast amounts of warm water from the tropics toward higher latitudes. In the temperature version of this visualization, the current glows in shades of orange and yellow, signaling warm waters rich with energy. Surrounding cooler waters appear in deep blues and purples, highlighting the sharp contrast that drives ocean circulation. As the visualization continues, the camera glides westward and south, crossing the vast expanse of the Indian Ocean. Here, attention shifts to the Agulhas current, a narrow but intense flow hugging the southeastern coast of Africa. This current transports warm, salty water southward before looping back on itself in dramatic eddies. In this region, the colors pulse between warm yellows and cooler tones, revealing complex interactions between temperature, motion, and mixing. These western boundary currents are fast, deep, and energetic. They move more water than any river on land, playing a critical role in regulating Earth's climate. Without them, heat would build up near the equator, and higher latitudes would be far colder than they are today. The camera then travels across the Atlantic, arriving at the familiar yet mighty Gulf Stream. Originating in the Gulf of Mexico, this current flows north along the eastern coast of the United States before crossing the Atlantic toward Europe. In the temperature visualization, the Gulf Stream shines brightly, a ribbon of warm color slicing through cooler surrounding waters. This flow is responsible for the relatively mild climates of Western Europe, despite its high latitude. Color is essential to this story. In the temperature version, the palette ranges from deep blue and purple, representing colder waters, through orange and yellow, marking warmer regions. Each shade tells a precise scientific story, translating satellite and observational data into a visual language we can see and understand. But temperature is only part of the ocean's character. The visualization also includes a salinity version, revealing how salt concentration varies across these same currents. Salinity affects water density, which in turn influences how water sinks, rises, and moves. In this version, the color bar shifts to represent fresher and saltier waters, exposing patterns invisible to the naked eye. In the salinity view, the Agulhas current stands out once again, carrying some of the saltiest waters on the planet. These salty flows play a key role in global circulation, feeding into deeper ocean layers and helping drive the long-term movement of water between the surface and the depths. Together, the temperature and salinity versions of Perpetual Ocean 2 offer a more complete picture of how the oceans function as a living system. Every swirl, every stream, and every gradient of color represents real data collected from satellites and instruments around the world. This visualization is more than art. It is science in motion, a reminder that Earth's oceans are never still. They are constantly exchanging heat, salt, and energy, shaping weather patterns, sustaining ecosystems, and influencing life on land. As the globe continues its slow rotation, the currents flow on without pause, connecting continents and climates in an endless, dynamic dance. The perpetual ocean is not just a feature of our planet, it is one of its most vital forces,